Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Elise. Welcome back to our channel. Hope you guys are all doing well. I hope the Lord has blessed you guys abundantly. I am back with a new video, and y'all, I'm kind of excited about this thing right here. I know Alicia had one just recently. Now I got my hands on two in two different colors. Yes, I got these Boho braid band wigs. These braid bands can be found at a company called Lockbraids.com. I'll have all the information, detail, and links located in the info section below. So these braid bands have these really soft Velcro adjustable bands, and it gives you the ability to switch up your styles within a matter of seconds. Okay, so once again, I did get two colors. I got the color number 27, and I also got color number 30, which is like that reddish brownish color that you guys just saw. Now these braids are synthetic, however the curly ends are 100% human hair. So right now I'm just adding a little bit of water as well as my foaming wrap mousse just to kind of get those curls to re-pop and to kind of get rid of that fold you kind of see in the very middle. You can definitely redefine these little curls, give it like a nice little boho look, and I just love the color options. They also have black for all of my plain Janes out there, but I wanted to try something that was full of color. Y'all know I've been kind of experimenting with color, so what better way than to experiment using these little easy, convenient, beginner friendly lock braids. So these braids are 18 inches long. I really don't know how they measure this out because these wigs are way longer than 18 inches. Maybe the braids, the actual braided part is 18 inches, but it literally hits like my waist. And I'm a tall girl, okay? So I'm starting off with the color number 30 braid bands, and you guys see my hair is just underneath the stocking cap. You can also kind of beehive your hair up, or if you're in that much of a rush, a ponytail would definitely suffice. So I just went ahead and I put on the braid band. You guys saw how easily that was. Like, need I say more? I don't really have to explain anything. But this company did provide me with a couple of these beautiful satin head wraps. You can definitely wear it with a baseball cap, a beanie, a cotton scarf, or whatever you have. These braid bands are very forgiving, and it gives you so many different options and so many different ways that you can choose to wear these. So here is the very first look with the color number 30. Again, this is 18 inches long. You guys see how long it looks on me? I love the little boho curls at the end. Once again, that is 100% human hair. You can definitely apply some product to get that texture to pop, or you can flat iron it straight just for a different look. So now I'm giving you a different look with a different satin band. So now I'm going to try on this color number 27 braid band. I'm going to go ahead and put it on. You guys see exactly how easy that was. This is another scarf that they provided for me. I'm going to go ahead and put that on, and here is the next look. So now I'm just switching up the look with this scarf, and Alicia, she did give me this one and she's not getting it back. But I'm gonna go ahead and put that on, and here is another look. Once again, these little braid bands are so easy. Like, I kind of wish I had like a baseball cap or like a beanie just to kind of give you guys like a whole bunch of different looks. But I don't know what happened to him. So this is where the hair hits on me. It's kind of like hip length, definitely longer than 18 inches, but you definitely will get your bang for your buck. So once again, these little braid bands can be found at lockbraids.com. I'll have all the details located below. Use my discount code, which is TG20, to save 20% off of your purchases. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye guys.